Guys, it's Angela here, back with another tutorial, and today I'm showing you all how I install my lace wigs, but this time we're going to be using a beginner-friendly adhesive that's less messy, has a bomb hold, and it's just overall better than GOT2B glue. So let's get into it. This is the OLIVIA unit from my hair company WabiWigs. This unit is pre-plucked and pre-bleached 2 inches in the front. All of the information of this unit will be in the description box down below. Like this video and comment yes in the comments right now if I should start having exclusive discount codes just for my YouTube subscribers. So yeah. So I know some of you are like, she didn't do the ball cap method where you glue the wig cap down and then cut around your edges. But honestly, that method is optional, especially when you're not using a glue like Bold Hold or Ghost Bond. Just make sure you brush all your edges back and they're out the way and you'll be good. So I went ahead and I lined up the wig and I cut my ear tabs out. It's best to pin up the hair when you're cutting out your ear tabs, just so you don't cut any unnecessary pieces of hair off. And you could see like the wig cap underneath, you could see that line of demarcation right there. You don't want that. So how we fix that is we just pull our wig cap a little bit further back, and then as you can see, you can't see that line of demarcation anymore. Flawless, blended. And we used our foundation for the lace on the cap. And the adhesive that we will be using today is the Ebin 4EVER Ultimate Lace Glue in Extreme Hold. I think this glue is great for beginners because the application kind of mimics Ghost Bond or Bold Hold, the tougher glues, but it comes off with water and it's less messy than the spray. And blow drying is optional, so 10 out of 10 would def recommend. So now we're just going to line up our hairline with the wig. The wig should be placed 2 inches above your hairline. And we're just going to go in with our glue. Honestly, I say use a moderate amount. I think this layer was a little thin, but I wasn't keeping this unit on for long, so I didn't do multiple layers. But I feel like you can do like 2 layers with this glue. Just don't make them too thin. I feel like the more adhesive, you have to find like a happy medium with the amount of adhesive that you're going to be applying. Also, use alcohol around your hairline before you start applying this glue. I just feel like it gives you a better hold when you do it that way. So yeah, put a moderate amount, and then you can either let it air dry or you could grab your blow dryer if you want, and you're just gonna wait until it's tacky. You'll be able to touch it and know like, okay, this is tacky. That's when you should lay down your lace. It doesn't look like I'm putting on a lot of glue, but if you want your glue to last the 4 weeks that the bottle claims that it does, or the 2 weeks, or even just a couple days, you want to put more glue than I'm putting on. And then we're just going to lay our unit where the glue is 2 inches above our hairline. And it really helps that when you're lining up your unit on top of the glue, don't press the glue in as soon as you feel like you get it on one side to where it should go. You want to wait until you align the whole perimeter of the unit before you go ahead and stick things down, because once you stick it down, the glue is going to get on the lace if you try to lift it up again, and it's just going to be a mess. So just don't stick it in completely until you are sure that this is where you want your wig to lay. And then grab your comb and kind of press the lace into the glue. Don't do this with your fingers because it's just going to be a mess. So yeah, use a comb, not your fingers. And then I went in and I just wrapped my edges down for a while. and you know, I had to gas myself up because I did that, period. And you can do it too. I know you guys can, so. And that's on what? Period. And then you're going to go ahead and cut your lace. Make sure that you're cutting in a zigzag pattern. And you're pulling up the excess lace where, you know, you may have applied too much glue. Or you have put the adhesive further up than it needs to be. And you want to get as close to the hairline as possible. You don't want to leave excess lace on your forehead, because the more lace that you have on your forehead, the more noticeable that your unit will be. The less natural it will look, the less it will blend into your skin. So if the lace doesn't need to be there, girl, cut it off. And take your time on this part. As you can see, I'm taking my time, and I do this all the time. So you're definitely going to take a little bit of time to cut your lace. And then I just went back in and I restyled my unit. And then I just added some concealer to the parts, just to make the unit look the most natural that it can. Remember, this unit is pre-bleed. This is how it is fresh out the box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you learned something new. And I'll be back next week with another video for you guys. Bye!